Start by soaking your rice noodles in warm water for a few minutes before cooking. This will help them to become more pliable and easier to work with. To give your pad thai a more authentic flavor, try using tamarind paste or fresh lime juice instead of vinegar. Don't be afraid to add plenty of herbs and spices to the dish, such as cilantro, Thai basil, and crushed peanuts. If you're using protein in your pad thai, consider grilling or stir-frying it separately before adding it to the noodles. This will help to give it a nice char and a more complex flavor. To give your pad thai a little bit of sweetness, try adding a small amount of palm sugar or coconut sugar to the sauce. For a touch of heat, consider adding a pinch of chili flakes or some diced fresh chili peppers to the dish. If you're using tofu in your pad thai, be sure to properly press and drain it before cooking. This will help it to become more flavorful and absorbent. To add some crunch to your pad thai, try topping it with bean sprouts, sliced cucumbers, or diced carrots. Don't be afraid to get creative and add in your own favorite ingredients. Some options might include shredded coconut, chopped nuts, or diced mango. Finally, be sure to serve your pad thai hot and fresh, with a squeeze of lime juice on top for added zing. Enjoy!